Morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen again for our final golden ticket and shout out assembly of the year. Yes, we are there. It's Friday the 10th of July and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next week, Friday the 17th of July will be the final assembly of the year before we close for the summer holidays. That'll be the child of the year video. So this is the last chance to get your golden tickets and your shout outs. I'm going to kick off in year 3 and you'll see in year 3, look out, look at these superstars. Miss White has chosen, we've got Wotan, we've got Dylan, we've got Harry, Ivor, we've got Blake, Oliver, Rhea, Claudia and Lila Grace. They're all working so hard. Wow. Miss White could not decide who was going to get her golden ticket. She had so many children. And this is the first time since we've been doing the golden ticket and shout assembly that Mr. Allen has allowed Miss White to choose 2 children from her class. We've got 2 golden tickets this morning. And they are going to none other than, you'll see, Ruben and Tyler, you absolute superstars. Look at you guys, absolutely nailed it. You are working so hard, and even right up to this week, posting so much on Class Dojo. So I could not decide between the 2 of you, so both of you, Posty's bringing it today to you both. So well done, Ruben, well done, Tyler. Massive amounts of work, so really proud of you guys. Fantastic, well done. Moving on to Mr. Ackerman's class, here we go. Look out. We've got Alicia, we've got Racer, we've got Bella, and we've got Reggie, Mr. Ackerman's absolute superstar. Fantastic. Bella with a lovely ferret there, looks lovely. But all of you again, working so hard. And look at Reggie with his award and certificate there. Well done. But I know Mr. Ackerman's golden ticket goes to someone who's won it twice. This is their 3rd golden ticket in lockdown. And it goes to Jessica. You have been an absolute superstar. Mr. Ackerman said you have not stopped posting every single day, right the way up through to this week as well. So you are so deserving of this, Jessica. Well done, hun. I'm really proud of your 3rd golden ticket. So well done, really proud of you. Moving on. Here we go. Look out, look at these superstars. Look at Miss Barrett. Wow. She's got Daniel, you've got Martin, you've got Freya, Amelia, Joe, Connor, Erica, Ashton, Kieran, Oliver, Lily, and Logan. Logan, look at that. Growing your fruit as well, doing all that outside as well, getting some exercise as well, lots and lots of you there. Oliver with his pass, with his certificate as well. Guys, lots of Erica cooking as well. Lots and lots of really nice treats going on as well. But lots of you getting out and about as well. Keep saying that, please get out. Make sure you're getting your exercise so we're not just stuck indoors. And so much work going on, so much. But Miss Barrett has chosen this morning, her golden ticket is Lily. Well done, Lily. There she is. Look at her, look. Superb, Lily. You're so deserving of this, hun. Helping out around the house as well, doing the hoovering non-stop. That is so impressive all the way through this period, how helpful you have been at home. I am so proud of you, hun. Need one of you back at our house as well to help us, all right? Jacob and Ava could learn anything from you. Well done, Lily. You so deserved it. The postman's bringing it today. Well done. Moving on to Mr. Pinners. Mr. Pinners, look, again, look at all these superstars. We've got masses of shout-outs this morning. We've got Bianca, Diego, Amelia, Jessica, Cornelius, Colby, Joshua, Janisa, Oliver, and Josh. Jessica, here she is on the bike. Look at her. She's able to ride the bike. She's been brilliant on the playground and just doing a superb job there. Oliver, Manager's Player of the Year. So proud of you, buddy. Really love to see those trophies. Really proud of you. Janisa as well. More work. Big thumbs up from me as well. Well done, hun. Thank you. But Mr. Pinner's golden ticket goes to, here they come, Nadia. Nadia, you absolute superstar. Mr. Pinner is so impressed with you. I mean, the work that you're doing, here you are at school, the way you're doing, but you're doing work just like that at home and keeping that well done. Really well deserved, hun. That will be coming to you today, so look out for it in the post. Congratulations, well done. Moving on to year 5, again, look at Mrs. Healy. Look at Mrs. Healy. Mrs. Healy, we've got Jeffrey, we've got Edric, we've got Cassandra, we've got Frankie, we've got Millie, we've got Scarlett, and Scarlett. Oh, Scarlett's there, again, working so hard. And I know Mrs. Healing is so proud of every single one of you. When you come back in September, Mrs. Healing's changed her name as well, and it's Miss Arthurton, so she's going back to her name, and it's Miss Arthurton, so she's changing her name back. So some of you will see that when you come back in September, that Mrs. Healing is now Miss Arthurton. But her golden ticket is going to go to none other than Jeffrey, the 3rd one as well. Jeffrey, buddy, you're amazing. Absolutely amazing, buddy. So well deserved. Please keep that up over the summer holidays as well. I'm so proud of you, buddy. Look out for this. It's coming in the post today. Brilliant effort. Well done, buddy. Nothing more to say to you than you are brilliant. Well done. Moving on, Miss Musselwhite. Look at Miss Musselwhite. Look at this. Look again. All of these superstars. We've got Angel, we've got Amelia, we've got Emily Rose, we've got Jamie with his 3 golden tickets. There he is. Good lad, Jamie. we've got Leon, we've got Mason, we've got Lola and Julia. And again, Miss Musselwhite is so impressed, working right up to the end of term, still working. Keep it up, guys. Thank you, thank you. But the golden ticket for Miss Musselwhite this week goes to Emily! There she is! Come on, Emily. Well done, hun. Brilliant. I'm so proud of you, hun. You are working so hard. Please keep that up. It's lovely to see you, being really lovely with all your, caring after all your things and looking out for things at home as well, with your siblings as well, with your brothers as well. Really lovely to see as well. So really well deserved, Emily. It's coming in the post today. Well done. Moving on, Year 6, look out. Here we go. We've got lots of shout outs, loads of names coming up. Leona, with her look at that, look at that. Amazing, hey? Amazing name. We've got Thomas, Amy, Mia, Alyssa, Bethany, Sophia, Maisie, Patrick, Nicole and Matty, all working so hard. Thank you guys, thank you for that, keeping that all the way up, getting yourselves ready for high school, ready to work, carrying on that in September when you get onto high school, so really well. The golden ticket goes to Lacey! Well done, Lacey. So impressive, hun. Really positive attitude, still working hard. Being lovely at home as well, with your brothers as well. It's really lovely to see, being helping out with mum as well. So thank you, Lacey. Hugely deserved, really well done. Look out for that, it's coming in the post today. Well done, hun. Moving on, the final golden ticket. Here we go, look out. Look at Miss Persis again, look at all these names up here. We've got Poppy, we've got Gizmo, we've got Rachel, we've got Maria, Tobias, Jack, Declan, Carly, Grace, Paige, Caitlin, Savannah, Daniel, Stephen and Radna. All of you working so hard. Miss Percy is so impressed with all of you. Thank you guys. Keep that going over the summer holidays. Keep doing as much as you possibly can to get yourself ready for high school. The final golden ticket this morning though goes to none other than, here she is, Megan! Well done, Megan. So well deserved, hun. Brilliant. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for all of your hard work. And look out for this, is coming in the post today, so well done. Proud of you. Finally, just a final message from Mr. Allen, really, over the summer. How we're going to support, how we're going to help out, and we're going to continue helping out. Obviously, we've got work packs for the summer holidays, and they'll be going out and you'll be able to collect those from schools. We've also got packed lunches from the Phoenix Centre. Just turn up at the Phoenix Centre, and they will have packed lunches at lunchtime for anyone who turns up with the children to go there. And that's throughout the summer holidays, so please do go there. Also, we've got food items still available from school. You'll be getting text messages which will come out. Please look out for those. Come along to school as you have been, observe social distancing, bring a carrier bag with you, and you'll get various groceries and provisions that we'll be continue providing right across the summer holidays as well. And then finally, also in that first week, you'll get vouchers for throughout the summer holidays for those that qualify. So please do look out for those text messages, and do please stay safe, and hopefully for you Year 6s, have a fantastic time when you get to high school. But for everyone else, we're hoping to open fully on Friday the 4th of September, and we will see you then, guys, okay? So the final message really for me is next week's assembly is Child of the Year Assembly, which is Friday the 17th of July. It'll be my final assembly of the year before we break up for the summer holiday. Until then, guys, stay safe. Bye-bye.